Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what you can observe for tomorrow's intraday trading. And please make sure this video is only for educational purpose. So before you trade on the stocks or on this level, you can make your own analysis as well. This is only for the educational purpose. So now first we'll be talking about Nifty 50. So before that, let's see how the market has performed today. So guys, the market in the half of a day today, it was just range bounded and later it went down, and last 20 to 30 minutes of a market closing time it just recovered and closed around 18617. Okay, so this was how the market performed today, and I'm going to tell you the tomorrow's analysis. I'm not going to tell you the market is going to go up or go down, but however the market opens or wherever the market opens, you will be able to find out the support and resistance level by the calculation what I'm going to tell you right now, and that will help you in tomorrow's intraday trading. Okay, so by that idea you will get to know where the support of a market is and where the resistance of a market is, so you can plan your trades according to that. Okay, so yes, now first let's talk about Nifty 50. That's the market. So to find out the maximum high and low, that is the maximum resistance and support for tomorrow's Nifty 50, what you have to do is just add the opening price plus 90 to find out the maximum high. That's the maximum resistance what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 90 to find out the maximum low, that is the maximum support what the Nifty 50 can take tomorrow. Okay, and opening price plus 45 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 45 to find out the key support level for the Nifty 50. So this will be the calculation for the Nifty 50 for tomorrow's market, that is for the 7th June. And now I'm going to tell you the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. And before that, if you are new to a stock market trading and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach us a simple skill to make constant profit, no indicators and no complicated thing. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. So once you join my course, I'll be guiding you personally every single day, the same trade what I take and everything. So you can just go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today, and also you will get the same trades and same support once you join us. And not only that, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snack or a fast food in a month. Okay, and not only that, once you join us you get a lifetime support and the live market guidance. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. The first stock will be Infi. So Infi, as you guys can see, this stock is actually today, as I said you, it was bit bearish and then it took a support and closed around 1281. So I'm going to tell you the levels for tomorrow's Infi levels, and also in the end of the video I'll be telling you how to trade on this level as well, with the simple concept. So watch the video till the end to get all the idea regarding that. So the first stock is Infi. So what you have to do is just add opening price plus 15 to find out the maximum high, that's the maximum resistance what the Infi can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 15 to find out the maximum low, that's the maximum support what an Infi can take tomorrow, and opening price plus 8 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 8 to find out the key support level for the Infi. Okay, and the next stock will be ICICIGI. So this stock was a bit bullish today, as you guys can see. So let's see the calculation for tomorrow. So for ICICIGI, just see the opening price and add opening price plus 25 to find out the maximum high what it can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 25 to find out the maximum low, that's the support what it can take for tomorrow, and opening price plus 13 to find out the resistance level, and opening price minus 13 to find out the key support level for the ICICIGI. Okay, so these are the stocks which I am going to tell you for observing tomorrow, and you can stay tuned in my channel to see the tomorrow's live trade what I take. So I might take the same stock or I might take the different stock as well. So if you want to get the live market guidance in the real time market, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you. So now I'll be telling you how you can trade based on this level, and keep in mind guys, this video is only for educational purpose, and if you guys are planning to take a trade on this, so you can do your own analysis as well. And if you want to trade based on this, you can do your own analysis. And now I'm going to tell you how to trade on this levels. Okay, you have to trade on this levels only if the level touches. You should not take entry in between this level. So now I'll tell you the concept how you can trade on this. Let's assume a stock is touching a key support or resistance level or a maximum low and high level. So once that line touches, so this is the example what I'm showing for a buy. Okay, once the support line touches, and if you see the next good green candle forming, and if this green candle high breaks, then you can consider to buy a stock and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. So this is the example for buying. And for short selling, what you have to do is, if the stock touches any of the key resistance level or the maximum high level, so wait for the red candle to form. Okay, in the resistance line, once the stock touches a resistance line, you should see a red candle to form, and once that red candle low gives a breakout, then you can short sell and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay, so guys, this is only for observation purpose, and if you guys want to learn my unique way of trading, and if you guys want to enter in any time of a day and want to identify a correct stock for intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll teach. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients, what they have given us once they have joined, and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.